Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix black screen on your iPhone 17 Pro Max and how we can fix it. So if you're having any kind of trouble with the black screen on your iPhone, the only one solution that you can try is all about you have to do a forced restart on your iPhone. So to do a forced restart, we have to press the volume up, then followed by the volume down. Now we have to press and hold the power button over there unless and until you see the Apple logo. So I'm going to show you that. Let me press the volume up, volume down, press and hold the power button over here. Keep on pressing the power button. When you see the Apple logo, you can remove it. Now we have to check whether you're going through any kind of an issue with the black screen, and most probably if you have any kind of trouble with the black screen, by doing this the issue is going to get fixed. And this is what you have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.